Yeah, welcome Nimalan. Shravanya. Wait ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
சொல்லுங்க. நீ வெறும்னு அந்த வேர்டு சொல்லு.
Parents, if you want to copy down the sentences, you can copy it down and you can revise later. Now, come on. IT.
I-T-E.
IS. Why are you looking at your mama, Shavanya? Are you scared? Whatever it is you read, no problem. Ma'am is there to teach you. Tappa sonningnalu ma'am will guide you. No need to look at your mummy. Look at the screen and read. Bayapadama padinga. Come on. IT eat.
I-T is.
IS.
I-S. Is.
What is IS? Very good. It is. Point it with your pointer finger. Look at the screen and point it out with your pointer finger. What is the phonic sound for R? R oda sound ennama? R. Is it AT? What is AT? Rat. Very good, Shavanya. Good morning, Matilakar. Rat. It is a rat. Next one. Try. Can anyone please check and tell me whether we have written and words in our English notebook?
Noted, ma'am.
Not written. No, okay, fine. Yes, one more time, Ma Shavanya. I didn't hear.
இன்னொரு ரீட் பண்ணுங்க. இத பாரு.
IT.
I-T-E.
It.
I-S is.
At.
Bad.
Good, Ma Shavanya. Next.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma Sara.
Is. Hat.
H. Hat. Okay. It's a hat. This one.
Stand up.
IT.
I-T is.
It. Super.
B. Bat.
Phonic sound of B. At. Bat. Very good, Shavanya. Good. Like this you have to try. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much, Shavanya. Next is Riyasri.
It's your ball.
Oh. Ball?
Dinadu.
It is your ball.
It is
your bat.
Bat. Very good. At. Bat. Next. Are you eating?
It is your rat.
It is a rat. Rat. Very good. Next.
It is your mat.
Very good. Mat. Good.
It is your.
It is your hat. Her at hat. Okay. Thank you, Mariasri. Her at hat. Okay. Next, Sarah.
Start reading.
Very good, Sarah. Good girl. Bad. Good girl. Next.
It. Yes.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, very good.
Finish the
It.
sentence.
சேர்த்து சொல்லுங்க, come on.
It is a rat. அப்படி சொல்லு.
It is a rat.
It is a
Very
rat.
good.
It is a rat.
Very good. That's my girl, Sarah. Good. Next one.
It is a rat.
Good.
I am a mat.
It is a mat.
Aha, I am a mata. It is a mat. Naughty girl. Okay, next. It. Hat. Very good. Well
I
done.
am a hat.
It is a
I am a hat. It is a hat. Okay, let me see. You are able to read this.
Read this. What is this? No. T-H-E.
T-H-E.
Fan.
The fan. This one.
Is hot.
Hey, very good. Super. Well done. Thank you so much, Sarah. I think you are in good mood today.
Exactly.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Sarah. I expect your mood to be like this every day. Okay. Next, Kadambari is there. Kadambari. Kadambari is there. No. Mokshita. Mokshita. Come on, read this sentence, Mokshita.
It is a bat.
It is a bat.
It is a rat.
It is a rat.
It is a mat.
At mat. Okay. Very good. Next.
It is a hat.
Hat. At hat. Okay. Next.
The
Mm.
cat.
Mm.
Yes.
O-N.
O-N.
What is O-N?
On.
On. The cat is on.
On. The
The.
mat.
Very good, Mokshita. Good, Kana. Next.
The cat. Yes. Cat.
The cat is?
Bat.
The cat. Fat. Very good, Mokshita. Good. Next.
It is a fan.
It is a fan. Good.
It is a man.
No, it is a mana. பாருங்க நல்லா. What is there? H-E. What is H-E? H-E என்னம்மா? He. He.
The man.
He is a man. Next one.
The
fan.
Yes.
H-O-T. No. Her otter.
Otter.
What is that? Her otter?
Otter.
Her hot. Okay.
Okay.
Very good, Madhuvan. Sorry. Mokshita. Well done. Thank you, Mokshita's mom. Nowadays I can see her improvement. Very good. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mokshita. Keep it up, Mokshita. Next is Tilakar. Tilakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, one word, Tilakar. Read it.
This bag.
Don't assume the sentence.
It is a rat.
Rat.
It is a mat.
Mm.
It is a rat.
அது என்னது அத ஒழுங்கா படி அது இது என்ன
Blend it. That's what I say. Don't assume. Blend. Blend பண்ணுங்க sound. Her at.
சொல்லு அது என்னது
Her at. Hat. It is a hat. Now let me check. Wait. மாட்டிக்க போறீங்க. Kia. THE. What is THE? The. The cat. Nor. Point it out with your pointer finger. ஒன்னொன்னா படிங்க. Come on. The cat. The cat. IS. On. On. Very good. The cat is on. The cat is on the. Very good, Tilakar. Hey, super. Very good. The cat is on the mat. Very good. IS. IS. What is IS?
yes என்ன
Is. IS is. Okay, the cat is. The cat is fat. Good. Thank you so much, Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Good. Next one, Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the sentence, Madhuvanti. The cat is. The. Point it out with your pointer finger. Pointer finger வைங்க. The cat is fat. Now this one, try to read. The cat Very good, ma. The cat is on the bed. Very good. Come on. The finish ma. Time up, Madhuvanti. Come on, do it fast. Parents, if you want, you can copy down all these sentences and you can revise later. The cat is. Very good. Thank you, Madhuvanti. Next, Ilango is there. Ilango is there? Ilango? No, what? Nakshatra? Nakshatra is there? Nakshatra? No, what? You are there. Come on, read the sentence. Read it fast, Nakshatra. Time up. Ball னு இருக்காமாங்க வைமா at bat. Nakshatra's dad, I want you to copy down these sentences side by side, okay?
Okay.
And then you can revise later. Next one, ma. Nakshatra, I want you to focus in the session. Please, Nakshatra, you have such a capability to learn. Why do you waste ma time? Come on.
சொல்லு.
Is at
Rat.
Rat. It is a rat. Next one. At. Correct only. At. What picture is given there? At. Mat. That's it. Very good. Next one. H-A-T. It is a hat. Very good, ma. Thank you so much, Nakshatra. Kevin is there. Kevin and Adya Sharma. Kevin, Adya Sharma is there. No, what? Okay, children, we'll start the session. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Who, ma? I didn't ask. Pravina and Pranavi. Okay, after this kids anthem, I'll ask. I asked you, no? Who I left out, who I left out, you would have answered that time. Okay, I'll ask you. Don't worry, Okay, come on, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Very good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning. Yes, very good morning. Mute yourself. Keep standing for the warm-up activity. I don't know whose audio is echoing. Please mute yourself.
Clap your hands, come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands, come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger, run, 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 like a tiger. Run, 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 like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 like an elephant. Stomp, 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 like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo. Jump, 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 like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle. Fly, 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 like an eagle. Fly, 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 like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop!
That's very good, children. Come on, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Adya Sharma. Adya Sharma is on leave. Oh. Ilango. Nakshatra. Yes, very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Riyasri. Very good, ma. Sara. Very good, Sara. Pranavi. Very good, Pranavi. Pravina. Very good, Pravina. Srinija. Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shavanya. Mokshita.
How's it feel? Here I am, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Nimalan.
Here I am.
Yes, good. Adarsh. 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 Okay, marking you, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
Here I am.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, children, let's move on to our worksheet straight away. I want you to take D80CT worksheet. You will have body parts of a bird worksheet. Let me show you. D80CT, that will be homework worksheet, I think. Yes, ma, Mokshita. D80CT.
Okay,
D80CT. This will be your worksheet, children. Take a crayon in your hand. Take a crayon. First write today's date. Finish writing the date. Today's date is 2/9/29 dash 10 dash 21/21. Write today's date. Where is Srinija? Where is Pranavi? Pravina?
Ma'am, she went to get the crayons, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Pravina and Pranavi. Before the class itself, you should be ready, ma, Pranavi and Pravina. Where is your brother? Where is Kabarish?
number.
D80CT. Take worksheet number D80CT. This will be your worksheet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes?
what? Ma'am?
D80CT worksheet.
Ma'am, crayon or color pencils?
Crayons, color pencils, whatever they have. They are going to just circle the body parts.
Okay.
Okay, first body part is eyes. See where is the eyes of the bird and then circle only the eye part. Eyes. Follow with ma'am, children. Shravanya, listen to ma'am and do the worksheet. Second one, this one is tail. Second one, tail. See where is tail and circle tail. Which is tail? This one, the bottom part, tail. The third body part is beak. Beak. The nose and the mouth part of the bird, beak. Beak. Fourth body part is wings. Wings. Wings are used to fly. So wings. Where is the wing part in the bird? Wings. And the last one is head. Head. Where is the head of the bird? Match it. Head. Finish.
You finished, ma'am. You finished, ma'am.
Nimalan finish. Others.
We finished, ma'am.
Finish. Next worksheet is D81 empty. D81 empty. D81 empty.
D17 under the 80.
D81.
Get it.
D81 empty. You will have circle the light object in each row. That is the exercise given in that worksheet. This
Ma'am, can you
worksheet.
show me that one? D81 empty.
ఇది వస్తున్నా
Okay. What we need to do, ma'am?
Yeah, let everyone take. Everyone took your worksheet, children. Then you are going to circle the light object. You know what is heavy and light. Heavy na another. What is heavy? You cannot lift it. தூக்கவே முடியாது. That is heavy. Okay. What is light? Light na easier தூக்கிடலாம். That is light. Okay. Here in this worksheet, we are going to circle the light object. Let me present you one minute. Light object only we are going to circle.
Ma'am.
Pineapple speak.
Yes. Yeah, I'm presenting you. Ma, can you see my screen? Is it visible?
I don't like pineapple. I like
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, visible? Okay, fine. This will be your worksheet, children. Here you are going to circle the light objects only. Light na romba லேசா இருக்கும். Easier தூக்கிடலாம். Okay, that is light object. Okay. So first you have strawberry and pineapple. I don't know whose audio is echoing. Please mute yourself. Okay, which is light? Yes, strawberry or pineapple. Which will be easy for you to lift. எது ஈஸியா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு எடுக்கிறதுக்கு? Pineapple or strawberry? Yeah, strawberry. That is only light. So circle the light object. Okay. Next is rhino and a puppy. Can you lift a rhino? Can you lift a rhinoceros? No, it is very heavy. You can lift only the puppy because puppy is light in weight. Okay. So circle the puppy. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. Next picture you have. Yes, please mute yourself, whoever it is. Next is ball and feather. Both are light object only, children. But here there is one difference. Can you blow a ball? ஊத முடியுமா ball? Will it fly when you blow a ball? But you can. But the feather will fly if you blow. Feather blow பண்ணா மேல பறக்குமா? But ball will not fly. So which is light here? Ball or feather? Which one? Ball or feather? Ball. Ball ஊதினா மேல பறக்குமா? No, feather only will fly because feather only is light. Ball is not a light object. It will not fly in the air. It will come down. Okay. Next is kettle and balloon. Which is very light? Kettle or balloon? Balloon. Very good. Balloon. Balloon only is very light. Very good. And the same way, in your next worksheet, you are going to circle the, you are going to color the heavy object, and the worksheet number is D82 empty. D82 empty. Take worksheet number D82 empty, children. D82 empty. In this worksheet, you are going to color. Take a color and you are going to color the heavy object. Heavy na another romba ganama irukum. You cannot lift it. Is my screen visible or I have stopped presenting?
Not.
Yeah, let me check one minute. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the worksheet. Color the heavier object. Heavy na weight இருக்கும். You cannot lift it. உங்களால அதை தூக்கவே முடியாது. That is heavy. Okay. So see here you have a car. Yeah. You have a car and a candle. Which is heavy? எதை தூக்கவே முடியாது? காரா கேண்டிலா? Car. Okay. So color the car. First you circle it, then you can color. Okay. And then here you have next one. Tree. A brush. Paint brush. Which is heavy, children? எதை தூக்கவே முடியாது? Which is heavy? Tree or paint brush? Tree. Very good. Circle the tree. First circle, children, then you can color. And then here you have a bag and a pencil or crayon, whatever it is. Which is heavy? Bag or crayon or pencil? Which is heavy? Bag. Very good. Circle the bag and then you can color it. Okay. Now start coloring. So now you know which is heavy and which is light. Done. Very good. Take your English notebook, children, those who are finished. Take your English notebook, write today's date, and the heading is and words. And words. Adarsh, very nicely playing game, Adarsh. Very good. And words. Copy down these children. And can. You need not draw the picture, just copy down. And can. And fan. And man.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, Maushika want to write this, ma'am?
Yeah, she has to write.
Okay.
Ma'am, Pranavi and Praveen are finished, ma'am.
Writing,
Yes, ma'am.
writing or worksheet?
Worksheet.
Write this, Mate. Give their English notebook. Ask them to write this. You need not draw picture, children. Just copy down only the words. Finish can, fan, man, children. Next you have 3 more words. 3 more or 2 more words. After man you have pan and ran.
எழுது ஃபேன் இது எழுது இது எழுது இங்க எழுது எழுது சீக்கிரம் எம்முக்கு அடுத்தது பி இங்கடா இங்க எழுது பி அடுத்தது ரேன் ஆறு ரேன் எழுது இங்க எழுதடா இங்க எழுதிக்கோ எழுது அப்புறம் எழுது
Copy it down and then you can go to restroom. Come on, finish it, Madhuvanti.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nimlan's mom.
Please scroll from first, ma'am. Now only starting to write, ma'am.
Now only. First one is can, ka plus and can.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, correct.
Finish, Madhuvanti.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good, Madhuvanti. Now we can go to restroom. Come on, go and come. Mute yourself and go. Madhuvanti, mute yourself, ma. Tilakar, did you copy it down in your classwork notebook, Tilakar? Where is your English classwork notebook, Tilakar? Finish, ma, Shavanya?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Now read the words, Shavanya. Read the words, Shavanya. Very good, ma, Srinija.
Ka, Thank you, ma'am.
Look at the notebook and read, ma. Where are you looking?
And
என்னது
fan.
phonic sound யாரு இந்த பிக்சர்ல என்ன இருக்கு
And
P.
phonic sound
And
பிக்சர்ல
fan.
mm.
phonic
R.
sound
And run.
Ran. Very good. Very good, ma. Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the words.
Okay, ma'am.
Can look at the screen and read, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Plus
No
and
need to say plus. And correct only. Ran. Next. And
pan.
very good. Next one.
And
And what is and?
man.
Man. Very good. Next one. And so and
Fan.
good. Thank you, ma. Next who else finished? Children, everyone finished writing?
Minimum.
Finished?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. All of you finished? Everyone finished? Thank you so much. So shall I stop sharing? Is there still anyone writing?
How did I finish, ma'am?
Okay, ma. Is there still anyone writing? Shall I stop sharing? Sarah? Sarah?
No, ma'am. Sarah is not writing even for today.
Okay.
She will
Better
write
you copy it down and ask her to write
yes.
afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, I'm stop sharing, children. Then don't blame me. Finished. Over. Children, you have 2 days holiday, Saturday and Sunday. Read all these and words, at words, and the sentences I have given you. That also you should read. I'll be asking you on Monday. Okay, children? So thanks for your cooperation. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Yes, bye.
Bye.
Bye, children. Very good, Nakshatra.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye. Good, Nakshatra.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, Pranavi, Pravina, wait.
Okay.
Pravina, wait. Pranavi, wait. Don't go. Pravina and Pranavi, don't go. Finish your sentence reading activity. Come on.